Hi folks, and welcome to La Mesa Verde RV Park in Blouse, Arizona. It's just a little bit northeast of Quartzsite, in between Quartzsite and Parker, Arizona. It's a nice little community out in the desert, and I need to recharge some batteries and get a little rest break from boondocking in the desert, dry camping I've been doing for several weeks now. But this is a nice little rest stop if you happen to be traveling through the area. Really nice folks that run the place, and the little community has a few little services that you might need, like a public library with good Wi-Fi if you need to get on the internet, and there is a couple of cafes in the area. I'm sure this area would probably be a little bit warm during the midsummer days. It is in the middle of a desert, as you can see, but spring and fall of the year be nice and comfortable temperatures, I would imagine. I did see a lot of people from Canada and a lot of the northern states that do come down and spend several months during the winter trying to get away from the cold temperatures up north, and quite a few of them have the off-road vehicles that they use to explore the mountains and valleys of the surrounding desert area. This is one of the little cafes that I had lunch at, and was surprised to see how much they like NASCAR. Evidently NASCAR is big in the western part of the country, in Arizona, at least in Blouse, Arizona. I know they do have a NASCAR track outside of Las Vegas now, but a lot of people in this area seem to enjoy the NASCAR racing. I was here on a Tuesday, so unfortunately I missed out on the live music Thursday, but maybe next time I'm passing through the area I'll stop by and check it out on a Thursday. If you happen to be in the area, stop by and check out their cheeseburger. It turns out it was pretty good. This is another bar restaurant just down the street, and I was amazed when I stopped by at this giant cactus sticking through the roof. They have some pretty decent food there also. As I say goodbye to Blouse and the La Mesa Verde RV Park, I put this area on my list just in case I'm traveling back through this area again. I know it's a good place where I can recharge my RV batteries and recharge my own as I'm traveling around the country. I hope that you've enjoyed the journey so far, and as I turn and fly off into the sunset, I wish everyone a great day and hope you'll continue to follow WhiteEagleVideos. And if you like the videos, subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and if you have any comments, be sure to leave them below the video. Thanks and have a great day.